Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions, and in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to install Deepseek locally on your Windows computer. At first you need to open your browser and search for Ollama. Next you need to go to ollama.com official website and click on download. Then download for Windows. After download, install it on your Windows computer. Next you need to open CMD. Then type Ollama space -- version. After that press enter and you can see your Ollama version. Next we need to download Deepseek model. Simply go to ollama.com and click on models. Now select the model as per your choice. I will select here 7B. And then copy the code from beside. Then you need to run. Open CMD and run this code. After installation done, as you can see, it is running on my computer smoothly. Now I'll disable my internet connection to check whether Ollama Deepseek is working offline locally or not. As you can see, it is working perfectly. I will download Docker tool that make it easier to run applications in a clean, isolated environment. Simply go to docket.com. And after that click on download Docker desktop and then click on download. After download, you just need to install it on your computer. After installation done, you need to click on close and restart your PC. After installation done, you need to open Docker and click on accept, then check the option. Recommended settings and click on finish. Now you need to click on personal. Docker account I have already created, so I'll directly log in. After login, click on finish, and after that you need to wait to start the Docker engine. Now you need to download WebUI. WebUI is a browser-based interface for controlling software or AI models, making tasks easier without using command line. For that, you need to open CMD on your computer, and then open your browser, go to OpenUI website and copy the first link. If Ollama is on your computer, then you need to paste the command on your CMD, and press enter. After installation done, minimize the CMD, and open Docker desktop, click on containers, now click on the link WebUI, and it will open on your browser. Click on Get Started. Then you have to create one account. Now you need to select the model, and after that you're good to go. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.